Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where Luca Salvadori has passed away following an road accident. Where Salvadori was focused on road racing after a stint in Moto E. He also raced in the Italian Superbike Championship. Luca Salvadori had an incredible passion for bikes, which was seen through his social media and YouTube. He was able to ride on track with the likes of Pico, Bagania, and where his sadly died. Check out, guys, it is a must watch road accident of him which happened today.